All right, scholars. I'm so happy we're going back to school. I hope that you feel the same way. My name is Lucas Pasley. I've been teaching for 15 or 16 years, somewhere around there. But I absolutely love teaching. And I have never been more thankful for the opportunity to get to share this experience with you all of education. So, you're going to be taking English 2 with me. And I'm really excited about the class. I have used the coronavirus to rethink a lot of things. You know, sometimes you get in habits, and so I just wanted to kind of get try some new things, which I'm really looking forward to. And our class is going to be divided into two halves. The first quarter, the theme of the class is going to be where you come from. So we're going to be taking we're going to take a look at Appalachian culture, the community that you're spending all or part of your childhood in, and the mountains. We're going to be doing some readings on Appalachian literature. You're also going to be doing some research into your own personal heritage and pulling together a project based around your own heritage. And that'll be sort of the idea of the first quarter. And then the second quarter is going to be focused on where you're going. So we're going to take a look at some literature that focuses on innovation, and we're going to take a look at the passions that you have in your life. Where do you want to go? What are you really interested in? And then, most importantly, how can you innovate in that particular field? How can you innovate within your passion? So that'll be the focus of our second quarter. And I'm really looking forward to it. So I hope that you are too. I think we're gonna cover a lot of great material, and I'm so excited about getting to know each one of you. For materials for the classroom, you don't really need to think about that much. If you do happen to play fiddle or banjo or guitar, let me know right away, and that might be a material that I might have you bring to class. Um, However, for the most part, our class is going to be online. And if we do have to exchange any physical materials, we'll undergo strict sanitation measures. But um, I think we're going to be able to keep it online for the most part in terms of turning in assignments and things like that. While I am very excited about having some students in the classroom, those of you that have chosen to come in class, I do want to emphasize that we will be adhering to the strictest social distancing expectations. So obviously masks are required, lots of sanitation, and we'll be keeping at least a 6-foot distance from each other at all times, because it's my goal for this to work. And I'm real worried um, about spreading the coronavirus, about being able to keep in-person instruction. So I want us to do everything that we can to continue to make this a possibility. So just keep that in mind, that that throughout the entire school, and my classroom included, it is absolutely essential that we all do our parts. So that's all I've got for you in terms of an introduction. Very, very excited to have each one of you in class, and we'll see you soon.